Virtual Fun Art Web 3. Hiya, if you're interested in AI crypto projects, you might like this one. So this is the Virtuals Protocol AI project. And yeah, this has been up for a couple of years now. They're reasonably new. But yeah, they seem to be doing some really good things. So first of all, if you go on their website, it's probably the most beautiful website I've ever seen, to be honest. Yeah, it's like visually brilliant, this website. And it does kind of, you get a sense that they're um, like ahead of the curve with technology just by the website. What they're basically trying to do is trying to tokenize AI agents. So these are going to be decentralized AI agents. An AI agent is yeah, it's like an AI assistant, but it goes and does a particular job. So you could set certain rules so it can go out and do a particular job for the owner of the agent. So say if you wanted it to collect loads of information about DeFi, like decentralized finance, it can collect stock information or crypto information, so you can make better decisions on investing. That's an example of an AI agent. But the what's pretty cool about um, yeah, this sort of project is that it don't just stop there. It can literally be any type of AI related thing. So it could even be used in gaming. So you could have a non-player character, an NPC, which could actually be an AI agent from the Virtuals protocol. And whereas you normally get those computer type characters in games that just aimlessly walk around following sort of set rules, whoever owns that AI agent for that non-player character can actually give it a personality and a mission in that game. So say if you had a sort of game which was a virtual world, you could actually have a non-player character in there owned by a person or of a group of people or group of holders, and that player, has a unique personality, and it's got say it might have a particular voice, a particular look, and particular likes, and yeah, it can react to the real players in that game as well. And it might even have a job to do in the game. It might, say if the goal of the game is to collect gold, it might try and it might be programmed to collect some gold as well. So it could earn money as well for the holders. So this is an example of where things are going, and why wouldn't games want such technology implemented into the game? It'd be fantastic to play a game where all the non-player characters are very intelligent. So yeah, I can see that being very good for the future. Yeah, so this is their main website, but if you actually want to look at those agents, then you click on this open app and it will take you here. And yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot going on here. They're already doing stuff now, which makes it quite exciting. I'm not going to pretend to know everything there is to know about their project, but I can give you a rough idea. So far as I know, these are AI agents that are live right now. And if you click on one, so like for the thing to point out is that it does tell you the number of holders and the volume, and yeah, some of them have substantial amount of holders and volume going through these AI agents. So you can click on one, and whoever created this has put details of what it does. So here you go, project details. So this is a trading agent built to automate your on-chain activity and farm points. I've not invested in any of these, but I was tempted to. I just don't know. I suppose I don't know enough about this company yet to make that decision. But what I did do, I did actually stake some tokens. So I bought some virtual on the base network, and yeah, I staked some of that. So I've got 170 worth of fee virtual tokens. So that's the staked token. And the reason why I've done that is because I'm assuming if any of those AI agent projects do well, then the entire virtuals protocol does well. And when you stake, then if you're going to get any rewards, it'll be based on the virtuals protocol as a whole rather than individual agents. So it's like I'm betting on the yeah, yeah, it's like I'm betting on the whole project rather than individual projects of the whole project. But you can actually put shares or sums of money into these particular projects. So if you think a particular AI agent is going to do incredibly well, then you could buy a part of it. And I think I'm not quite sure, but I think when you actually when you buy a share or a tokens of these particular AI agents, um, yeah, maybe you actually get to use it as well. So yeah, it might have a utility thing about it where you can actually use that. For example, if there's a trading one and it goes out and gets you information, maybe that if you own a certain amount of that project, you might have access to that. It's not quite clear though, so if anyone knows about that, please make a comment on my YouTube. I was looking for the gaming ones in particular. That's the ones that actually get me more excited, is the gaming NPC ones. So I really like that idea, and I think that will be a big winner in the future. It's probably, um, I'd imagine we're too early to the game to start seeing that used properly, but being too early is good, to have a look at these sort of things. Yeah, that's. I just wanted to bring it to your attention. It's not financial advice. Do your own research, like I did. But overall, I think it's quite a good project, and you can actually buy a virtual token. I think on Solana and Base. I think it's on Solana when it's bought on exchanges in particular, like the decentralized exchanges. And if you want any links to these websites, yeah, please check out my description for this video. Yeah, hopefully it helped. Okay, see ya. Don't get left behind. Subscribe for the latest Web3 guides.